beautiful viewers. This is the K-Popper Unboxer coming to you with a brand new unboxing. Today is release day for Stray Kids' brand new album, Hop. And that's what that says right there, even though it's hard to read. So there only is a sensible 4 versions. So there's the Skz Hop version, which I have a Target exclusive Photocard. There's the limited version that's called HIPTAPE, and then the Accordion version, which is a member version, and I have Felix because Felix is my bias. And then there is a Nemo platform version, which they don't sell in the US in stores, so I will be ordering that. And please look for that in a future short on YouTube. So just a sensible 4 versions for today. We're only going to do Felix because it's Christmas time and I can't buy all of the guys. So I apologize for that. Without further ado, let's get to it. Okay, so the first version is the Skz Hop version, and this is a Target one. I'd like to shout out to the associates at my Target. They were awesome. I know I go there a lot, and they always have to go in the back and find the albums because they do not put K-pop albums on the shelves because they were being stolen from and broke. You know, like they would slit the thing and take the photo cards, which is ridiculous, but at least they're safer in the back. So shout out to them for doing and finding Felix. I didn't have to sort through anything. It was great. Okay. So first of all, I love the theming. It's great. And I've listened to the whole album once through because it only came out last night. But I really like that every member had their own song, which is great. And then there's a couple of, there's 3 tracks, group tracks, and then the 4th one is just a different version of the title track. So far, I mean, I liked all of them pretty much. I mean, I haven't really listened to it, so maybe I will share my thoughts in the next unboxing about more about them. So it looks like we have a folder and a photo book. And it looks like the Target card is not in the photo book, so we can look at that first. So this is like, looks like a VHS tape. Lip reading. Oh, I love his hair. So cute. And Felix, I'm sure he has hair extensions in. Here's all the lyrics and credits. Thanks twos. Okay, and then here's once again, the track listing. And looks like all our stuff is in here. And the CD is a boombox. That's funny. Okay, let's look at some of our goods. All right, the first thing looks to be a very large poster. And this is pre-order only. Okay, and then the other pre-order only is a sticker sheet of all the tracks. So those are the two pre-order only benefits. Okay. Then we get a postcard, or they call it a mini poster, but I think it's just a big postcard. You can call it whatever you want. And then, oh, this must be the real postcard then. Right? Yeah. I believe this is a US exclusive. Okay, and then we have a sticker sheet. I love the little stickers of everybody on the bottom. So cute. Okay, and then we get 3 cards. Okay, so the first card is a unit card, and we got Felix and Changbin. Oh, he's poking his cheek. So cute. Okay, and then one of these is the Target card, and one of these is the standard. All right, so the first photo card is the standard photo card, and there it has a back on it. And we got Ian with his cute hair and his gold chain. Okay, and then we got the Target card. Okay, and then for the Target card, we got Han, and it's like a concept card. So those were our pulls for the first version. All right, let's move on to the next one. Okay, so the next version is the limited version, and it's called the HIPTAPE version. And it's the same size as the standard. It's just blue. And this is not a Target exclusive. This is just a regular album. Looks like we have like a suit version or concept. Okay, so we have the photo book first. Yep, there's limited. I like that vest. Ooh, Felix pulled back his hair. I like this one. They have their photos near their solo. I like that. Okay. So this limited is blue on the inside. Okay, let's see what we get. We get the two pre-order items are the folded poster, and it is different. I think I like the other concept better just because I like the clothes. They're more casual. This is more like they're going out for the night. And then the other pre-order item is the same sticker sheet as before. Okay. Then we get what they call a mini poster. Okay. And then a postcard, which is the same one because this is for the US. So this is only in albums in the US, this postcard. Okay, and then we get a sticker sheet with the guys' photos. So let's look at that. There we go. 2 sticker sheets. And then you get a 4-cut photo of everybody. Well, the units. It's cute. So that's special to the limited version. And you get a trading card set in this cool little envelope. Oh, wow. These are nice. Well, actually, you don't get the whole set. You only get half. So I got Lino, Changbin, Han, and my bias Felix. Cute. I like those. And then we get 2 photo cards. One is a unit and one standard, or one with the version. So let's do the unit first. Okay. We have Han and Ian. They're pretty suits. Put it up here. Okay. And then the one photo card we have. And it looks like it spells something. I bet it's Stray Kids. Anyway, we got Hyunjin with his longer hair. Okay, so we'll be doing some purchasing for Mr. Felix. Okay, that's it for the limited version. Okay, and our last version for this video is the accordion version, which they did this the last comeback era. And these are member versions, and we got Felix. Thanks again to the Target associate who helped me out. Okay, and there's like a little plastic, or a little tab, glue tab, so we've got to get through that. So this is very similar, well, it's exactly the same as the versions from the last time. So let's go through the photos. Oh! Felix. You're showing us some arms. He works hard for them. You should show them. Okay, and the thanks tos. And then on this side, more photos of Mr. Felix. And the credits. Okay, and then you have this little pouch full of stuff. If I can get to it. Okay, the first thing is the CD. And we have that mask that everyone was holding. And we have a little lyric paper. And then we have 3 photo cards. So we have, the first one is just called the Accordion standard, I guess, card. Anyway, we got Han. So that's a standard one. Then you get a monochrome one. And we got Changbin, and this is like a concept. It's called monochrome. And then the last one is the POB. Okay. So this is the POB one. And we got Han. So we didn't do too well on the Felix pulls, but that's okay. It's more fun to search and find. Okay, now I'm going to show you all my pulls, and then we'll wrap this video up. Okay, so here are all my pulls for Stray Kids' new album, Hop. So we got a wide variety of members. If you have not checked out my Mercari shop, most of these will be on sale on my Mercari shop. Hopefully by this afternoon or tonight. Today is the release day, by the way. It's December 13th. This is when this video will be published. If you go on Mercari, just type in K-Popper Unboxer, all one word. It's the same logo. You'll see it right away as my YouTube channel. So please check that out. As always, please stream this music. It's a great album. Like I said, I only listened to it once, but it sounded great, and I'm going to continue to listen to it in the future. I love that there were solo tracks, so everyone has a chance to shine. So make sure you do stream this album. So as always, please take care of yourselves, take care of others. It's crazy right now with the holidays. And I will see you in the next unboxing. Bye!